Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO S17 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the display and brightness. Now let's tap on the screen timeout, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 seconds or 30 seconds, which is currently applied, or 10 minutes, which is at the very bottom of the list, which is of course the longest option. So all you have to do is to tap on the option, it will be immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that from now on your device will black out after 5 minutes of inactivity. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.